In this video, I will explain some powerful ways to find specific rows of data from the database table. In earlier videos, you have seen how you can use SQL to obtain the data we want. For example, from a table that is a permanent record of the data, we might ask for the table using the from keyword, which would give us all of the table. But by using a where clause, we restrict the results to just one of the three rows of data. And by saying which columns we are interested in, like account number and balance, we limit our results to just those two. And finally, it's also possible to carry out calculations like balance times 0.05, which would give us a 20th of the balance, and rename columns with aliases. Now we're going to look at several ways to carry out more complex searches, especially when there is a lot of data. First, if you write a where statement that needs you to use OR multiple times, like this one, to choose a value among 2 or 3, branch is in a set of values. Selecting the columns from the table where a value is in a set, one of a set. The in keyword is not indispensable, but it does make the selection a lot simpler. Another useful simplifying operator is between. Suppose your where statement makes comparisons to check a value is within a range, like between 1 and 1,000. You can use the keyword between, as in here, between 1 and 1,000. The general pattern, colon, between value 1 and value 2, is not indispensable, but it does make queries easier. The like operator is different. You will need it when you are searching through data. Here is an example. By saying branch like something Inslee, you ask for any branch that starts with the character, any character, and ends in Inslee, I-N-S-L-E-Y. So the underscore is a wildcard. It replaces a single character, giving us a pattern like m_th, which matches moth, myth, math, but not month, because month has 2 characters in a gap. There is a second wildcard, like this one, where branch like something percent. The percent matches any number of characters or even none. For example, 10% matches Tinsley in our table. The pattern can be used in different ways. Here is another example. Char percent space BOIS percent would match my name, Charles Boisvert. Or it could match other things like charges boisterous. Another example, which is good for searching data. Select various columns from the ACT table where branch like %I%. This pattern would match anything with the letter I in the text of the column branch, which is, in this case, every row of data. This search pattern can give us a way of obtaining the data we want, although it is well known for being inefficient if you had a lot of data to search through. Finally, all these shorthand operators, you can use the keyword not with them. That will give you the exact opposite condition. So any row but those that match a letter followed by Inslee. or any row but the 3 values of the branch column in the list. Any row but the balances between 1 and 1,000. In summary, to make your queries simpler, learn to use in, between, like together with wildcard, as well as the use of not. And remember to practice.